Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. This is your righteous brother, Absolute, back with another $500 challenge update. This is a special so-called holiday edition. And in this edition, we pose the question, how to make every day a holiday. And as a 5%er, I don't celebrate Christmas. I don't celebrate Kwanzaa. I do celebrate myself each and every day. And one of the ways I do that is by day trading and swing trading with a little bit of investing. Okay, so that's 3 ways that you can make each and every day a holiday. Could find a group of stocks, watch them, learn them, see how they move, and then you can either day trade or swing trade. And if you really like the company and you thinking about the long game, you can invest in them. So without further ado, we're going to get into 63 trades for this edition. Okay, we're going to start as always with the outliers. Okay, I have one Apple trade, ticker symbol AAPL, the December 2nd, 147 put. I was in that trade at $189.51. I was out at $349.48 for a profit of $159.97 or 84.41%. I have 2 trades on the diamonds, ticker symbol DIA. That is a ETF that tracks the Dow Jones. I have the November 18, 338 call. I was in it at 268.51 and out at $342.48 for a profit of $73.97 or 27.54%. Then I played the downside. I had a 337 put at 296.51. I was out at 383.48 for a profit of $86.97 or 29.33%. Then I have a oil or energy play, ticker symbol APA. I had the January 20th 45 put. I was in it at 320.51, out at 359.48 for a low $38.97 or 12.15%. Moving on to the NASDAQ, ticker symbol QQQ. I placed 23 trades on that index. The lowest percent gain was 6.63%, with the highest being 85.64%. The lowest dollar gain, $27.96, and the highest dollar gain, $414.95. Add up all 23 trades, you get a grand total of $2,836.15. Last but not least, we go to the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. I placed 36 trades on that index. The lowest percent gain, 5.94%, and the highest percent gain, 87.22%. Lowest dollar return, $26.96, with the highest being $269.96. All 36 trades total $2,704.72. Add up all 63 trades, you're going to get a percent return of 1,180% or $5,900.75. So you can take that and you can, choose to celebrate Christmas or Kwanzaa or Hanukkah or Festivus, whatever you choose to do, or you can just celebrate yourself and celebrate your life and live each day as your last. This is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace and happy holidays.